Powdered rebar, often seen as nothing more than leftover metal from construction sites, carries a quiet beauty that many people overlook. Each piece tells a story, once a part of something larger, now waiting for a new purpose. When you begin to look it at not a waste but a raw material for creativity, it transforms completely. The rough texture, the natural rust pattern, the bends and imperfection all become a part of its character. Instead of hiding these details, they can be embraced, turning each piece into something unique and expressive and expansive. There is a certain satisfaction in taking what others have discarded and giving it a new life, shaping it into form and capture attention and the spark curiosity. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Working with rebar as an artist medium brings a different kind of energy compared to the traditional materials. It's strong and at first, but with the right tools and the patience, it can be guided into almost any shape, curve, angle, abstract form, and even detailed figure can emerge from what once seemed rigged and lifeless. The process itself feels raw, authentic, and there is no perfection in factory.